So my lawn tractor, not this one, I let somebody borrow it, and when I went back to pick it up, it was kind of a loaner tractor while I tuned up theirs. I found out when I got back that this bar, which raises and lowers the deck, was bent way out to here, and it was actually bent down here. There's a pin that goes up and down, and somehow it got bent right there. So it's about a $54 part on the internet, but got this parts tractor here for nothing, and we're gonna get that piece out of there and replace it. The tricky bit though is that if you look inside here, this is a part of it, and it goes all the way down there. And it's all one piece, so raising and lowering the deck. So I'm thinking that to get it out, I'm going to have to basically take this dashboard apart. There are bolts there and bolts all the way down here. So since this is a parts tractor, I'm not going to be shy about tearing all this apart to get to what I need. So gotta be more careful when I put it back on the new tractor though, or the one that I'm saving. So let's get to it. Alright, I think the first thing I'm going to deal with is just getting this off. And underside here, I see there's just a cotter pin right here holding that in there, and there's a cable, so we'll pull that cotter pin off. I'll see if I set the camera up just right. Not trying to save the cotter pin, so we're gonna just twist it out of there. There we go. I'll unscrew the handle on the other side. There we go. That's one thing out of the way. Now another thing we're going to do is take the steering wheel off. We got a nut and bolt here, and then we got some screws there. We'll also take the throttle control off. Half-inch it is. Well, I need more than that. Gonna have to go get a hammer. Alright, got myself a little ball peen hammer. Maybe I need a bigger ball peen hammer. Just looking to see what's pulling on that. Oh, there we go. Did something. looks pretty close. There you go. Goodness. Now we got some 5/16 screws here. Oh, that's bigger. There we are. Alright, now we got 3/8 inch. And we'll take it all off. Collecting a bunch of parts here. Nope. I'm not going to have a big bucket of random nuts and bolts when I'm done. I'll work like that. Alright. Some screw bolts here. Let's get a big screwdriver here. Got my big number 3 Phillips screwdriver here. Oh, I was gonna need 2 hands. Might have to go from underneath with a wrench. Yep. Oh, that worked. 1/2 inch. So what I'm doing underneath, way down under here, is I believe a 1/2 inch nut. So we'll get the ratcheting wrench on there. That one's free. Get the other one here. There, those 2 are gone. Now we'll go after these big bolts on the sides. Let's see what size those are. One more. There we go. as we're here. Well, dashboard just came apart. What do we call it? I caught down here on the little rubber cap, parking brake. And the plug for the get your hands on that and unplug that. Okay, so here it is. That's the dashboard. Now what we're after is this piece. And I also see there's a pin there. And now those all save. But I'm not going to save every random nut and bolt that comes off of this thing. There's another one here. Now, let's go back here and finish taking the bolts off. That one's being feisty. I'll have to get the regular breaker bar or something on there. But now that piece I'm after, this is the outer side of it. It looks like there's an E-clip. And this side as well. Yep. Alright, so just clip off there. Washers there. These are for the solenoid on the other side. Now, go on the other side. Get the E-clip from this side. I did get this other bolt out that I was having trouble with. So that's what we're looking at with no dashboard. Well, take that solenoid off there, make it a little easier. Oh sure, there's a nut. I gotta tackle that nut there. There we go. So now I think we're come on now. There you go. That's what I was after. Just saved myself 50 some odd dollars. Now I'll clean up all those random parts. Figure out if I can salvage anything else, and the rest is going to the scrapyard.